Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the YETI Roadie 60 wheeled cooler. I've always wanted a YETI cooler but wasn't sure which one I wanted. I did go to a few stores to see them in person to decide which one would work best for us. And at the end, we decided to go with the Roadie 60. I ordered it in the color charcoal and they do have it in a few other colors. The website description states the Roadie 60 wheeled cooler is a maneuverable beast with enough room for over 50 cans and rugged wheels that can take you and the crew into backcountry. Built with the same durability and cold holding power as the Tundra cooler, this wheeled cooler is virtually indestructible with the ability to hold ice for days. Make sure to grab a snack and let's start unboxing. I do have to say YETI does a great job with their packaging, and that is very much appreciated. It comes with a plastic wrap around the lid to help prevent scratches during the shipping and delivery. It has the black latches and the YETI logo right in the front. The latches are super easy to unlatch. When you open the lid, it has a big YETI logo, which I personally love. It also came with this dry goods basket. This is perfect for items that you wouldn't want immersed in the ice. Here are all the accessories that go with the Roadie. They also sent me a coupon code to order a free lock port, which is perfect to keep your items locked when away from the cooler. Down here is the cooler drain. You just simply unscrew the drain plug to empty out your cooler. It also comes with wheels, which is such a great bonus for easy transportation. And it also comes with a handle for even easier hauling. I do have to say that the handle is heavy duty and durable. I do appreciate the wheels and handles so much, especially for our camping or beach trips, where you have to walk with the cooler for a long distance. I love how there's another YETI logo on the top corner of the lid. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review for this YETI cooler. I love this cooler and I'm so excited to take it on our future trips. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a like. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye friends!